Hello guys, we are here in Ningguo. It is part of the Anhui Province, and for this May Day holiday we are traveling here with our family and Chinese relatives. So as you can see, we did some bamboo rafting a while ago. I'll show you the video later. So this is a really cool place, and you'll see a lot of beautiful plants and trees just behind me, and this really beautiful river. The water is crystal clear and it has this turquoise color, so kind of like experience a countryside life, and it's very relaxing here. So I wish I could go here multiple times a year, but normally we just do this kind of travel once or twice a year. So that happens in a May Day holiday or in summer. Nag-stay sa apartment na to, and pasok tayo. So napakaganda niyang apartment. Ito yung living room, may table sila, yung couch, so pretty. Yan, gusto ko yung upholstery. So ayan lang yung design niya. Tapos ito yung TV. Pasok natin. Oh, daming towels. For 3 people. Ba? Yes, for 3. And then, dito sa balcony. Ganda rin, ano? Ito yung balcony natin. May 2 seats. Napakaganda. And, ito yung view ng balcony namin. Ganda, no? Ayan, dito tayo mag-spend ng May Day. Ang daming nangingisda dyan, tapos may naglalangoy din. Pasok tayo dito sa rooms. May 2 rooms dito, 1 bed here. Dito matutulog yung husband ko kasi naghihilig siya lang dyan. Tapos dito kaming 2 ni Nathan. Yan, bunk bed. It's very neat and pretty simple lang yung mga upholstery, pero talagang maganda siya. May wifi din, syempre. So, meron tayong blower, stove. Pwede pa lang magluto. I wish na nagdala ko na something na lulutuin. Ayan. And ito yung CR. Ayan. Bath and the toilet. Ganda, no? Wow, cool canyons. Whoa! Cool canyons.
这边就是湖这个。
Smoke effect.
没看到你们。到大炮边上来。到大炮边上。走过来吧。没关系，这手机怎么多钱？这个不可以。要是两档的，这个不能是一张档，因为三档，我觉得你不可能是三个。
Yan, maglalaro si Nathan ng skipping stone. Let's see. Wow! 3 bounces. Try it. Let's see. Wow! See?
Ba giá rồi. Trên bảy. Ba rồi học gì? Cái giặt tay. Thiếu họ đấy. Nói những cái gì đấy, cái gì con vậy? Em你们热不热啊？上33号。小朋友拿红色的。对，但是拿的手拿到船上。对你这样放，它就会往前。哦，这样就行了。我再往前开，一放它就往里面粘了。来这路啊！ Taught